if we reach there by 1:20 or 1:30, the boathouse is going and we gotta come back to the city and just crash for the night.
I get a feeling it's gonna be a riot.
So we've reached THEKKADY, Grand THEKKADY. This is the room where we're checking in, and you gotta check out this room. It's really awesome. Grand THEKKADY is the name of the hotel, and this is the room. Room 267. Hey. Beware of monkeys. Please keep balcony doors closed. This is the washroom, and here's the room.
Come, I'll show you the view.
So we have this chairs.
Not a good view, but
The view is okay, but the room is like excellent. There's like a little table here where we can check the bed. And this is the view from the balcony. I mean, not that great, but it's okay. So apparently the boat ride was not that great. Sani, you didn't like the boat ride?
no, I didn't like it. Not much. Like, okay. One time we can. Like,
It's
just
a one-time
experience.
thing. How long was it? Almost 2 hours, right?
Yeah.
It was 2
1 hour
hours long.
45 minutes,
1 hour
you can
45
say.
minutes. So they take you by bus. We gotta go by bus all the way to their point. Then you gotta take the boat tickets. The bus, how much we paid for the bus?
30 rupees each.
30 rupees each, and entry fees was 70 each, so that came up to 200 rupees. And from there, how much was the ticket? 385 rupees per person for the boat ride. The boat takes there's like 125 people maximum capacity. There's a first floor and the main boat, so
No
always
AC.
there's no AC. Okay. Back to where I was.
Sorry.
So, whenever you take the boat ride, if you do, always ask them for a seat towards the sides of the boat, not the middle, and preferably on top, on the first floor. Wow, we just lost power. So, the boat ride was that way, but it's fun. You go all the way. You must have seen the clips. We've seen some animals and elephants and some animals that I don't even know. So, anyways, now we're gonna rest. See you guys later. Good morning. It's almost 8:30. We woke up at 7:30 and we had our breakfast, and now we have like a 4-hour drive to Allepey, where we're gonna stay on like a boat. That's what it is. So let's see how it goes. So they said that we need to reach there by 1. If we don't reach there by 1, we're gonna miss it. It's almost 9, so 4 hours. We're gonna just make it in time. Hopefully no traffic and no stops. See you there. We just stopped here to admire the beauty of the place. So here's the video. Had to stop here, man. I mean, check it out. See you guys later. We are running late. So we just stopped to buy at the market. If you can see, this is like a market road. So we stopped to buy one item, alright? Just one item. We needed an extra bag. So that's why we stopped. But now Sania has gone to every possible shop and she's like, wait, just give me 5 minutes. And it's never 5 minutes. And right now it is 1:05. So the boathouse is just 10 minutes away. I think we should reach there, but if we reach there by 1:20 or 1:30, the boathouse is going and we gotta come back to the city and just crash for the night. So let's see if she comes in time. Hopefully she will, but let's see. Maybe I might see you on the boathouse next. What's up, guys? So we just made it. Apparently, as I said, we are cutting it close, and Sania was shopping, so I had to go and get her. She didn't come, so I had to go and get her, and we just made it. We're on the deck right now. This is the boat, and it's from here. This is the area where we can sit and eat, and I think from here, if you go, there's our rooms. Man, I'm just so happy that we made it. I thought we were gonna lose the boat, but we are on the boat right now. And so on this boat there's lunch and dinner, both are provided by the boat because you're not going to go anywhere. But we are there for a good till morning 6, because tomorrow morning we gotta leave for the airport. Let me give you a tour of the area where we can sit and have our dinner. This is the area, and let's see. So they have air conditioning as well, but the timings are from 9 in the evening to morning. And here, let me just show you. Oh, here are the rooms. I'll show you the room. The rooms are good, quite nice. Got a key. I think this is ours. Hopefully, because there's no numbers or anything. We just got a key. Okay, this works. It's ours. So this is a houseboat room. Pretty fancy lights and everything. This is our bed. And from here we have a window to sit and chill if we need. So this is about it.